Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video. So you guys have been hearing me cry about wanting to have bangs but not really knowing whether I should get bangs or not, and I've been thinking about them every single day for months now, and I think it's just time. Okay, I think today I just have to cut myself some bangs because I just want to have them. I think I'm still not completely sure, and probably the moment I get them I want them gone, but you know, I'll never be truly satisfied with my hair, so who cares, you know, let's just change it up. Also, it's not even gonna be, yeah, it's not even gonna be like that big of a difference because I already have kind of like bangs. Well, I don't know, is it bangs? I guess it's a little bit too long for bangs, but also the purple from like the last time I dyed it, it's actually, I mean, it's still very patchy, but it definitely looks a bit better now that it is like faded a little bit. Like it looks more even, right? Also, yeah, this is I did not have any elastic bands in my hair. Look, pretty cute, innit? Anyways, let's get ready to cut myself some bangs. Bang, 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 bang. Brick by brick. Brick by brick by. My camera is very crooked. Let's fix that. Let's fix the camera. So, this is the hair I'm dealing with. Also, yeah, my hair is like super dead recently. I feel like I should just like get a haircut again, because yeah, it is getting out of control. It's actually, I mean, I still kind of like it because I don't really mind having dead and damaged hair, but it is getting a little bit out of control, the amount of damage that my hair has sustained over the last couple of months. So I don't really know what I should do. Should I like get a haircut and cut like a lot of dead ends off, which is basically everything, or should I try some like new hair care products and see if I can fix it without cutting it? New video idea. Yeah, if you guys know any like good hair care products that you want me to try out, or like methods to make my hair healthy and shiny again, then please let them know in the comments and I can try them out for video. Because I do actually love the length of my hair right now. I don't know if I want it any shorter. Anyways, we're not here for that, we're here for bangs. Now I know that I'm gonna cut bangs, I don't want to have bangs anymore. Every single time. But we're gonna do it anyways. We're just gonna start off slow. I'm not gonna go like, I still kind of want to have micro bangs, but I think I'm just gonna ease myself into it, you know? We're just gonna try a different length and then see if I'm gonna go micro bangs or not. But today I think I just want to go kind of like curtain bangs, but like shorter. Wait, let me get my scissors. Thinning scissors. I don't know if I need those since my hair is already very thin at the moment. I also got a nice little razor. Don't think I'm gonna use that one either, but okay. It's always good to have, I guess. And then here we have my hair cutting scissors. Yes, I do actually own a pair of hair cutting scissors, but to be honest, these aren't like good either. I feel like my kitchen scissors are literally better at cutting hair than these. But these do make me feel professional, so pew pew pew. I actually just got a piece of my hair off. I don't know why I did that. I probably should have just left it there. How are we gonna cut it? I don't know. I was thinking of looking up tutorials, but I'm actually feeling very risky today and experimental, so I think I'm just gonna raw dog it. I think I'm just not gonna look at any tutorials, and I'm just gonna do what I feel like works. Is that smart? No. Is that more fun for me? Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, I know most of you actually liked the pink to red hair better than this, but I definitely like this better. I'm still happy that I dyed it. So okay, so what I think would be the best idea is to just figure out where my bangs used to be, which I think that honestly, I think these were my bangs. Because yeah, I used to have bangs a couple of months ago. So we're just gonna use the hair from those bangs to create some new bangs. Which I guess is like this. So let's clip this to the side. Okay. Section is done. Which I feel like is one of the, well, it's not the most important part, but it is a very important part of the bangs, you know, is to figure out where to go. So what I'm now going to do, I'm just going to see how short I'm going to make them. So I'm just going to take 2 strands from the middle. Okay, I'm just gonna take this middle strand and I'm just gonna cut this. Also, I'm aware that Brad Mondo always says that you have to cut your hair when it's wet, but that's just not true. Love you, Brad, but I shall not be cutting my bangs well wet, because for my hair that just doesn't work. I think I want it like eyebrow size. Let's just cut it over here first. Oh my god. I feel like I cut it way too short already. Or maybe not, maybe not. You know, I'm just not even gonna... Maybe not. So what I'm now going to do, I'm gonna take the whole piece of hair, gonna redirect it to the other side, and I'm just gonna cut it like this. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. But we shall do this. Oh my god. Did it actually work? Wait, why is this so much shorter? I feel like this should be longer. Right? Because it's going from long to short now. Did I do it wrong? Maybe I have to style it better. Okay. But so far it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Let's do the other side. Oh my god, why is this scaring me so much? I have no clue if it's going right or wrong right now. I really cannot tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet my hair. And I'm going to like blow dry it, because I have a very prominent like middle part right now, so that kind of prevents my hair from being bangs. What is going on? These are not the bangs I was thinking of. What the fuck is actually going on with me right now? This is giving very much Sabrina Carpenter. Let's just take the clips out and see what like the total vibe is of this. I can't for the life of me figure out whether I like it or not. I don't know. Do I like this? Do I like these bangs? I feel like they're not... I don't know. I feel like they're not my vibe, right? I feel like I should maybe make them shorter. Or maybe it's just because they're like so light right now that they look very natural. And I'm not really a natural girly. Maybe that's the issue. I can't really tell what I have to do. I don't know. Is this cute or not? Or are they just like way too long? What if I just cut them a little bit shorter? Should I try that? Okay, I feel like this is a lot better. These actually look like bangs, no? Okay, I gotta be honest. I mean, I feel like it's fine now. I feel like it's okay. I think I'm just gonna like lean into the volume of my bangs right now. So I'm just gonna style my hair and I'm gonna make my hair voluminous. I'm gonna add volume to my hair and then hopefully it's gonna look cute. Spicy. Okay. Hey, I just styled my hair a little bit. I made it a little bit more curly. And yeah, I think I like it. Honestly, I'm not... I feel like it's not even that big of a difference, so I can't really... I mean, I think it's cute. I don't know. I'm actually kind of confused. No, I like it. No, I like it, okay? I like it a lot. I definitely feel like my hair is a lot less flat right now, which I love. It is still, it looks, the thing that's kind of like throwing me off is that it looks like super natural, like normal, because it's such like a light color. I know it's like lilac and purple and like, I know my hair is a different color, but it feels very natural to me. And that's just what's like throwing me off. I feel like if I had green hair right now, I would 100% like it, like definitely, for sure. But since it looks like a more natural color right now, it's kind of throwing me off. It's not too crazy, like I can still probably like clip it to the side. Yeah, I can still have like a middle parting if I want to. So like, put it to the back, do my hair to the side. Whatever, I can still do everything with my hair. So yes everybody, this was today's video. Let me know what you think of my hair. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If anyone wants to buy this hair, send me a DM and we can agree on a nice price. And yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like me better with bangs or without bangs? Thank you for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss bye bye. Kiss kiss bye bye. Ciao. Ciao.